Welcome to Slow English Stories.
Hey there! Welcome back to Slow English Stories.
Today's story has a little drama, a little romance, and 5 super useful idioms.
Yeah, I had a friend who fell head over heels for someone, and let's just say things got weird fast.
We'll tell you the whole story, and along the way, we'll show you 5 idioms that you can use in real life.
These are not textbook phrases. People say them all the time, in conversations, on dates, even at work.
So, get ready to listen, learn, and laugh a little too.
Let's go.
Ava, can I ask you something a bit personal?
Uh-oh. This should be good. What's up?
My friend Jake just started dating someone new, but she keeps texting him all day, asking where he is, who he's with. It sounds a little much.
Sounds familiar. So, what's your question?
Jake asked me what I thought. I didn't want to hurt his feelings, so I tried to play it cool.
Ah, classic. You didn't want to freak him out, so you acted like it was no big deal.
Exactly. But when I heard she tracked his location, like literally GPS tracked him, I started to see red.
Whoa. That would set anyone off. That's a huge red flag.
I told him he should go with his gut. I mean, if it feels wrong, it probably is.
Good advice. Intuition is powerful. But let me guess. He says she's not that bad, right?
Yeah. And the weirdest thing? He says they totally hit it off on the first date.
Yeah, chemistry can trick you, but that doesn't mean she's right for him.
Honestly, she's not my cup of tea. But hey, I'm not the one dating her.
And that, my friend, is why I always say first impressions lie. You need to look beyond hitting it off.
All right, that was the story.
Kinda messy, kinda funny, but full of useful English.
Yep, we used 5 everyday idioms in that little drama.
Did you catch them all?
Don't worry if you missed some. We're going to break them down one by one.
We'll explain what they mean, how native speakers really use them, and how you can start using them today.
Let's jump into the first one.
All right, first up, play it cool. I said this when I didn't want to freak Jake out about his new girlfriend.
Yep, if you play it cool, you act calm, even if inside you're worried or surprised.
It's like when someone asks, "Do you like her?" And instead of shouting, "Yes," you go, "Yeah, she's cool."
Exactly. You're hiding your real feelings to look smooth. It's often used in dating, at work, or any situation where you want to stay chill.
Beginners often think play it cool means playing a game or being cold. But no, this is about attitude, not temperature.
Good point. Playing it cool is about staying calm on the outside, even if your brain is screaming on the inside.
All right, now let's look at what happened next in the story. I tried to stay calm, but when I heard she was tracking his location,
That's when you totally lost it. And that brings us to idiom number 2. All right, next up, see red. You used this right after you found out Jake's girlfriend was tracking his location.
Yeah, that totally made me mad. And that's what see red means, to suddenly get very angry.
It's like when something just crosses the line. Boom, you see red, like a bull charging at a red flag.
Good image, but be careful. This idiom isn't about actually seeing the color red. It's about feeling rage.
Right. It's a colorful way to say, I lost my temper.
Oh, and a quick note. Some learners mix it up with red flag. That's not the same.
Not at all. Red flag means warning sign. See red means you're ready to explode.
And in that moment, I definitely did. But instead of yelling, I gave Jake some calm advice.
Which brings us to idiom number 3.
Idiom number 3. Go with your gut. I told Jake that when I felt like something wasn't right.
This is a great one. Go with your gut means trust your instinct, your deep inner feeling, even if you don't have all the facts.
Yeah, it's not about logic or proof. It's more like that little voice in your stomach saying, nope, something's off.
Or like when you meet someone and you just know they're trouble. You don't have proof, you just feel it.
Exactly. It's super common in conversations. People say things like, I don't know why, I just went with my gut.
Quick tip. Gut here doesn't mean belly fat. It's your instinct, your inner signal.
That's right. I didn't yell at Jake. I just said, if it feels wrong, go with your gut.
Good advice, but of course, Jake didn't listen right away. Why?
Because they totally hit it off.
And here comes idiom number 4. Idiom number 4. Hit it off. Jake said he and that girl totally hit it off on their first date.
This idiom means they got along really well, right from the beginning. Instant chemistry.
Yep. When you hit it off with someone, it means the conversation flows, you laugh, you feel a connection right away.
It can be romantic, like on a date, or just friendly, like meeting a new coworker and clicking instantly.
Exactly. For example, I met her at a party and we hit it off immediately. Boom, friends for life.
One tip, don't say hit it down or hit it on. The idiom is always hit it off.
Good reminder. And just because you hit it off doesn't mean it's true love.
Yeah, Jake thought they were a perfect match, but I still had my doubts.
Which brings us to our 5th and final idiom.
All right, final idiom, not my cup of tea. I said this to be polite about someone I just didn't really like.
Right. When you say, not my cup of tea, you mean it's not for me, but in a softer, less direct way.
Exactly. It's a kind way to say, I'm not into it without sounding rude.
Like, that movie was well made, but honestly, not my cup of tea.
Or, camping in the snow? Not my cup of tea.
Quick tip. It works for people, places, food, even situations. It's very flexible.
Yeah. I wasn't insulting Jake's girlfriend. I just said, politely, not my cup of tea.
And that's okay. Not everything is for everyone.
And you know what they say.
Sometimes the ones we can't have feel like the best.
Do you agree? Let us know in the comments.
And hey, did you catch all the idioms?
All 5 of them?
Or maybe more than 5?
That's your challenge.
Oh, and don't forget to check the pinned comment. There's a little quiz waiting for you.
All right, now that we've explained all 5 idioms from the story,
It's time to listen to the whole conversation one more time, but this time much slower.
exactly. Listen carefully and see if you can spot the idioms we just talked about.
And hey, if you want to practice speaking this conversation with us, we've made a special shadowing video just for that.
Yep. You'll find the link in the pinned comment or video description. Save it for later and practice anytime.
But now, just relax and enjoy the replay slowly.
Here comes the slow version of the story. Let's go.
Ava, can I ask you something a bit personal?
Uh-oh. This should be good. What's up?
My friend Jake just started dating someone new, but she keeps texting him all day, asking where he is, who he's with. It sounds a little much.
Sounds familiar. So, what's your question?
Jake asked me what I thought. I didn't want to hurt his feelings, so I tried to play it cool.
Ah, classic. You didn't want to freak him out, so you acted like it was no big deal.
Exactly. But when I heard she tracked his location, like literally GPS tracked him, I started to see red.
Whoa. That would set anyone off. That's a huge red flag.
I told him he should go with his gut. I mean, if it feels wrong, it probably is.
Good advice. Intuition is powerful. But let me guess. He says she's not that bad, right?
Yeah. And the weirdest thing? He says they totally hit it off on the first date.
Yeah, chemistry can trick you, but that doesn't mean she's right for him.
Honestly, she's not my cup of tea. But hey, I'm not the one dating her.
And that, my friend, is why I always say first impressions lie. You need to look beyond hitting it off. And that's it for today's story. We hope you enjoyed it.
Remember, learning idioms is not just fun. It makes your English sound way more natural.
If you want to practice speaking, don't forget, we've made a special shadowing video just for you. You'll find the link in the pinned comment below.
Shadowing really helps you remember and use what you've learned. So try it when you're ready.
And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps more English learners find us.
We'll be back soon with more slow English stories and useful expressions.
Take care and keep learning at your own pace.
See you next time.